Now I'm going to describe a little bit about the code. We have imported IO stream and file stream. We're reading the data.csv file. We will check if the file is open and give error. Then we have declared variables, 8 variables for 8 measurement and a query variable for input what we will search for. Then if the input file is good, then we will use getLine to read our line, and we will separate each element to a variable and assign to a variable using comma. Thing is to mention that CSV file is a comma separated file, so this is very easy to differentiate. Then we will get different elements into different variables. After that we will use a conditional statement to search that if that query is in our string in the file, if the file contains our query, then we will just print it in this way, and finally we will close the file. It is important in C and C++. Now I am going to check shell script. Okay, for shell script we will use command prompt, but before that I am going to show you the code. The code for shell script is very short. I like this very much. For shell script we will use a query called grep, which stands for global regular expression print. This processes text line by line and prints any lines which matches a specified pattern. Grep is a powerful tool for matching a regular expression, and I'm loving this very much. When I learned this is a very useful tool for a shell script, users. First we are taking our file in a location, and then we are using the grep command. It's a very easy command. Just writing the grep and then our desired query and then the location. Here I will take location and query from input. Let's just try. Okay. It is asking for our data file path. Actually I am running on the directory cmd prompt, so I will just give the command as the file is in that folder, data.csv, and it is asking for a city name, day, month or year. I will search for a city such as San Francisco. Let's check it on the CSV file, San Francisco. It is to carefully remember that grep is case sensitive. So if I give any string which doesn't matches the case, then it won't show our desired results. It's searching for the city. Looks like we have got our desired results. For all the results are from San Francisco. Actually the CSV file is very large, I have seen. Let's see how much results does it contain. Oh, it looks like it contains almost 1.5 lakh. That's a huge amount of numbers. Okay, let's